Proteins are the body's building blocks. They play vital role in various processes including muscle synthesis and strength, building immunity, recovery from illness. Protein is a main component of muscle. Excluding water, muscles are composed of about 80% protein, making it most important factor. Lean muscle mass decreases by 50% with age. It is a strong risk factor for disability, limited functional mobility and poor quality of life. Adequate amount of protein in the daily diet stimulates muscle synthesis as it helps gain greater muscle mass and strength and limits age-related muscle loss. Low protein intake means low immunity. Protein is required to repair cells and tissues, fight the infections, for antimicrobial actions and forms antibodies. Protein demand increases by 25% during chronic infections like typhoid, COPD, malaria or dengue, viral infections, respiratory tract infections. Hence, adequate amount of protein in diet is required to speed up recovery, improve immunity and heal wounds. However, more than 80% Indians suffer from protein deficiency and 85% believe that their regular diet sufficiently meets daily protein needs. Indians derive almost 60% of their protein from cereals with relatively low digestibility and quality. This may not meet the daily requirement of 1 gram protein per kg of body weight. Quality of protein is determined by the Protein Digestibility Corrected Amino Acid Score, also known as PDCAS. It evaluates the quality based how well humans are able to digest the protein and its availability of the amino acids. Amino acids are also known as building blocks of protein. Proteins are long chains of amino acids. Your body needs 20 different amino acids, out of which 9 are essentials, which can be consumed through food only. Anything that is 1 or closer to 1 on the scale is known to have good quality. For example, milk is 1, egg is also 1, whey 1, casein 1 and soy has 0.91. Hence, including a daily protein supplement with good quality proteins is essential to meet the requirements. Add Horlicks Protein Plus to the regular diet. It contains the triple protein blend of 66% whey along with soy and casein with PDCAS score of 1. A blend of these 3 proteins offers fast, intermediate and slow release for better bioavailability and prolonged release of amino acids into the blood. So whey, rapidly digested for faster release of amino acid, whereas soy helps to bridge the amino acid release between fast whey and slow casein. Lastly, casein, slow absorption leads to prolonged release of amino acids. Horlicks Protein Plus has 34 gram of protein, which completes the 30% of the daily requirement of the total protein. It delivers 9 essential amino acids. Added sugar compromises the nutrient quality of the diets. It can lead to unhealthy weight gain, increased risk of diseases and damages health. Horlicks Protein Plus contains 0 added sugar. Support strength with Horlicks Protein Plus.